Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, shall, sh-al, and should. Shall and should. So, shall, to suggest something. Something might happen. Yeah. Shall I record more videos? Shall I? Shall I do it? Shall we go there? Shall we go there? I shall show him what to do. I shall show him what to do. Yeah. Shall we go there? Yeah, possible. Yeah, possible. I think they shall be there soon. They might be there. It depends on things, but they should be there by now. Yeah, we shall go there next week. How cool is that? They shall come here next year. Yeah. But should. To tell, to do something. You should learn English. I should learn Spanish. They should listen to me. He should know what to do. She should not have done that. Yeah, they should have spoken to me first. Yeah, how cool is that? They should go with us. Yeah. How should we travel? Yeah, by car perhaps? Car, bus, train, plane? I should be there in around 2 weeks. I should be there in 2 weeks. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. So should and shall. Shall we go there? Shall we climb the mountain? Shall we do this? And I should climb the mountain. I should be there. Shall we climb the mountain? I should climb the mountain. I should climb the mountain. So, can you use shall and should in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.